Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopperguy.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, two home brewing kit brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Mr. Beer Brewing Kit and the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit. Brewing beer is an art, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that most people aren't too keen on brewing their own batch of homemade beer or IPA. This is where home brewing kits come in. Whether you're an amateur who wants to try your hand at something new, or you're a beer enthusiast who would like to craft your own beer from scratch, a home brewing kit is exactly what you would need to get started. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top-of-the-line home brewing kits, the Mr. Beer Brewing Kit and the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit, against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both of these units have earned 5 badges from our team at trustedshopperguy.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other home brewing kits that we reviewed, do check out our home brewing kit review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these home brewing kits will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and form factor. If you're brewing beer at home, then chances are that you're going to have a dedicated space where you'll store your kegs. With that in mind, it'll come in handy if you plan ahead, measure your spare space at home, and choose your home brewing kit accordingly. The Mr. Beer Brewing Kit comes in a compact form factor, measuring 10 by 13 by 7 inches and weighing just 6 pounds. This is perfect for people that don't necessarily have a lot of space to spare in their homes for storing their kegs. The Northern Brewer Brewing Kit, on the other hand, comes in a significantly larger size and weight. It measures 27 by 14 by 14 inches and weighs a hefty 22.5 pounds. With that said, the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit might benefit brewers who are more serious about their craft at this point. As for the gentle home brewer, we think the Mr. Beer Brewing Kit is the better option. It takes the first round and earns 1 point. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their capacity. Starter kits typically brew 1 gallon of beer per batch, with up to 5-gallon systems available from the larger, more serious kits. It is worth pointing out, however, that large capacity will not only affect how much beer you can brew at once, but also the amount of space it'll require in your home. For this reason, we suggest making sure to identify what application you have in mind for your brewing kit before making your purchasing decision. Mr. Beer Brewing Kit has a unique 2-gallon fermenter known as the LBK or Little Brown Keg. This is adequate for a first-time brewer who's only starting to dip their toes into the world of home brewing. On the flip side, the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit is a beast in terms of capacity. It features a 6.5-gallon fermenter with a spigot. In addition to this, the included Block Party Amber Ale Recipe Kit has enough ingredients to make 5 gallons of finished beer, or roughly 50 12-ounce bottles. As far as fermenter capacity goes, the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit blows the competition out of the water. With that said, it takes the category in a decisive manner and earns 1 point to tie the battle up at 1 apiece. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their bottling. Bottling beer is the final hurdle when it comes to brewing, so it only makes sense that you should not skimp out on this feature when looking for a home brewing kit. It's the last step of the brewing process, so it's imperative to take time and do it properly and hygienically. Bottling your beer is simple with Mr. Beer Brewing Kit, thanks to the unique fermenter that allows you to dispense beer right into your bottles without any added equipment. After this, you can add your priming sugar and simply wait for the carbonation process to end. On the other hand, the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit also allows you to bottle your beer relatively easily. At about half an hour before you start bottling your beer, you'll need to set your fermenting bucket on an elevated flat surface like a countertop and then just wait for it to settle. Although both home brewing kits offer an easy bottling process, we commend Mr. Beer Brewing Kit's simplicity and intuitive approach to bottling. With that said, it earns 1 point more to lead the battle with a score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their user-friendliness. As the name suggests, a home brewing kit should be easy to use. After all, no one wants to unbox their kit to find that they need to spend additional money on gear and equipment. Having said that, we suggest taking a good read of what's included to make sure you aren't opening your kit to unwanted surprises. Mr. Beer Brewing Kit is absolutely user-friendly, coming with everything you need right in the box. This means that there will be no need for additional large pots, strainers, or brewing equipment. Simply put, all you will need is the kit itself, water, and common kitchen items to get started. Likewise, the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit is an all-in-one kit that includes everything you need to start brewing beer at home. With both home brewing kits being very user-friendly and approachable, we will have to give the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit the edge over its competition because of its simple and no-nonsense design. And so it wins this category and earns 1 point to bring this battle to a tiebreaker round. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their long-term durability. Depending on your home brewing kit's design and build quality, your kit will only last for as long as the quality of its material designed it to be. For this reason, we suggest that you take a close look at what your home brewing kit is constructed of. After all, you wouldn't want to have leaks and problem batches after just a few weeks of fermenting. Mr. Brewer Brewing Kit is clearly designed with long-term durability in mind. Its wide-mouthed top allows for easy brewing and cleaning, and its built-in airlock is one less thing you have to mess with during the brewing process. In addition to this, the fermenter is UV resistant, so you can have no worries even if the keg is exposed to the sun. The same can be said about the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit. However, if there was something to nitpick about, it would be that the design of the keg is plain and boring. Not only is Mr. Brewer Brewing Kit is designed to last for many years to come, but it also has fun with its design. With that in mind, it comes as no surprise that it takes the final point and decides the winner once and for all. Finally, we have come to the end of the battle of home brewing kits between the Mr. Brewer Brewing Kit and the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit. Even though it was a very tough fight, the Mr. Brewer Brewing Kit beats the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these home brewing kits offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Mr. Brewer Brewing Kit has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Mr. Brewer Brewing Kit and the Northern Brewer Brewing Kit has finally ended. If you have any contenders for next home brewing kit face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the trustedshopify.com again soon.